Hey guys, Lech here with my 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I wanted to talk about burn and smell and possible oil leaks in your car and how to detect them. So for a few weeks we've already been smelling like a burn and smell. We weren't sure if it was electric or oil because it wasn't really distinct, but then finally noticed that I did have an oil leak and I was trying to determine what it was. So with this specific Pentastar V6 3.6 liter engine with the Jeep Grand Cherokee on other cars, there's a couple areas where that issue will come, which is usually the oil pan or your oil filter housing, oil filter and cooler housing, which is up here. Let me show you both how to detect it, and then I'm also going to follow up videos how to fix it. So in this engine, the oil filter assembly is sitting right under here. If you ever change the oil, you already know that. You pop this open and your oil filter sits here. The assembly is right under it. So to get to it, you actually remove in your intake manifold this whole setup. So it is a pretty serious process, but it is doable yourself and you can save a lot of money. I'm going to put a video below on how to do that. I'm going to show you guys a quick close-up exactly what you're looking at and how you will know if that's leaking. So if you look down there, get you some light. See right there, you see that puddle of oil? That's an easy telltale sign your housing is leaking, and that basically needs to be replaced. This is all plastic. They literally make this stuff so it breaks because it's a nice little job for the dealership. The part, if you go direct replacement, it will cost you about $100, and dealer will charge you about $800 probably to install it these days, at least. I'm upgrading mine to all aluminum housing, so I will do a follow-up video on that. But that's really the two locations you're going to find the oil leak in the Jeep, in this engine. Yeah, hopefully this is helpful. Stay tuned, check my channel for follow-up videos, how to get this fixed and other repair jobs on this car. Thank you guys. There we go, guys. The cooler is out. Plastic. Can't believe it. Can't get over that. We gotta vacuum up or soak up all this oil now and prep for the reinstall.